Figure out your generation depending on which invention you remember. This works 100%. Let's start. Were you around when the very first televisions came out? Or do you remember when the ballpoint pen was invented? These made writing so much easier than using a fountain pen. If you remember any of these two inventions, you are the silent generation. How about when credit cards were first introduced? These plastic rectangles changed the way we pay for things forever. Or when we started using photocopiers. If you remember the first time we started using any of these two, you are the baby boomer. Do you remember when the microwave oven was invented? How about when we started using floppy disks to store and share computer files? These easily damageable pieces of plastic were a common sight in the 1980s and 1990s, or when personal computers were first introduced to the market. These machines were expensive and took up a lot of space. What about the Walkman? A must-have for music lovers. If you remember any of these, then you are Generation X. Okay, now let's look at the next set. Remember when the internet was first introduced to the general public? Or when the new Windows operating system was introduced? When text messaging first came out, this changed the way we communicated with each other forever. How about when web browsers like Netscape Navigator and Internet Explorer were first released? Do you remember DVDs? Remember when Google was first launched? Or when Wi-Fi was first introduced? If you remembered any of these, you are a millennial. Okay, let's check another group. Remember when USB flash drives first came out? How about the first time iPod was released? This portable music player was a huge hit. Or when social media sites like Facebook and Twitter first became popular? How about when YouTube was first launched? The most successful video sharing platform. Do you remember when smartphones were first used? Remembering when any of these first started will make you Generation Z. Do you remember when we started using voice assistants like Alexa and Siri? How about VR headsets, AI chatbots, or when phones with foldable screens first came out? These last set of inventions will make you Generation Alpha. So which generation were you? Was I spot on? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.